Welcome to our channel. In this video, we're diving into the fascinating world of meditation and exploring its incredible benefits for your mind, body, and soul. If you've ever wondered about the transformative potential of meditation, you're in the right place. In this video, we'll be discussing the science-backed advantages of meditation and how it can significantly enhance your overall well-being. Let's start with the basics. Meditation is a practice that has been around for centuries, rooted in various traditions and cultures. It involves training your mind to focus on a particular object, thought, or activity to achieve mental clarity and emotional balance. There are several meditation techniques, but the common goal is to quiet the mind and achieve a state of deep relaxation. Meditation has a profound impact on the mind, offering a multitude of benefits. Meditation helps reduce the production of stress hormones, promoting a sense of calm and relaxation. Regular practice can enhance your ability to concentrate and stay focused, both in your daily life and at work or school. It can help you manage your emotions, reducing symptoms of anxiety and depression. Meditation stimulates the brain's creative centers, fostering innovative thinking. Meditation can improve the quality of your sleep by calming the mind and reducing insomnia. The advantages of meditation extend to your physical health as well. Regular meditation can help lower blood pressure, reducing the risk of heart disease and stroke. It can alleviate chronic pain conditions and improve your pain tolerance. Meditation enhances the immune system, making your body more resilient to illness. Deep breathing meditation techniques can enhance lung function and promote better respiratory health. Mindful eating, a form of meditation, can aid in weight loss and prevent overeating. Meditation also offers benefits for the soul, or your inner self. It helps you gain a deeper understanding of yourself, your beliefs, and your purpose in life. Meditation can sharpen your intuition and help you make better decisions. For those who seek a spiritual dimension, meditation can facilitate a deeper connection with a higher power or inner spirituality. Meditation promotes feelings of compassion and empathy towards others, fostering better relationships. Now that you know the myriad benefits of meditation, you might be wondering how to get started. Here are some simple steps to begin your meditation journey. Choose a peaceful and quiet place where you won't be disturbed. Sit or lie down in a comfortable position. Start with just a few minutes and gradually increase the duration as you become more comfortable. Pay attention to your breath as it goes in and out. This is a simple mindfulness meditation technique. Don't be discouraged if your mind wanders. It's a natural part of the process. In conclusion, meditation is a powerful tool that can enhance your mental, physical, and spiritual well-being. With a little dedication and practice, you can unlock the incredible benefits that meditation offers. Whether you're seeking stress relief, better health, or a deeper connection with yourself, meditation can help you achieve your goals. Thank you for joining us on this journey through the world of meditation. If you found this video informative and inspiring, be sure to hit that like button, subscribe to our channel for more content like this, and share your thoughts in the comments section below. Remember, the power of meditation is just a few mindful breaths away.